Here we have one more problem on functions. The domain of definition of the function y of x is given by the equation 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2. Is these are the options are given. 0 less than x is less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Minus infinity to less than x is less than or equal to 0. Minus infinity to less than x is less than 1. These are the options are given. Okay, all of you. Here you see 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 is given. You can take into this side 2 power x is equal to 2 minus 2 power y. You see which is the less than 2. Which is the less than 2 for any given values of y. So 2 power x is less than 2 satisfies this condition. So by applying logarithm this one, x is less than log 2 base 2. Okay, all of you. So x less than log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Means what? X belongs to minus infinity to less than x is less than 1. So here option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. Or x belongs to minus infinity to 1 open interval. That's all of you. Here we have one more problem is given from functions. Let f of theta is equal to sine theta plus sine 3 theta. Then f of theta. These are the options given. Greater than or equal to 0 only when theta greater than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 for all real theta. So greater than or equal to 0 for all real theta. Less than or equal to 0 only when theta less than or equal to 0. So here you take this is f of theta is equal to sine theta of sine theta plus sine 3 theta. What is sine 3 theta? Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta formula. Substitute there sine theta of sine theta. This is sine theta plus 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, all of you. This function have sine theta as common. So f of theta is equal to sine theta into sine theta sine square theta. This is 1 plus 3 minus 4 sine square theta. Okay, all of you. So f of theta is equal to sine square theta. This is 1 plus 3, 4. This is 4. 4 common you take, that is 1 minus sine square theta. But what is 1 minus sine square theta? Cos square theta. 4 sine square theta into cos square theta. So f of theta is equal to this can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. This is f of theta is equal to sine square 2 theta, which is always greater than or equal to 0. Which is always greater than or equal to 0. All real values of theta. All real values of theta. So we say greater than or equal to 0 for all real values of theta. Okay, all of you. That's all. You see, all of you. We have the problem from functions. The domain of definition of the function y is equal to 1 by log of 1 minus x base 10 plus root over x plus 2 is. Options are given. Open interval minus 3 comma minus 2 excluding minus 2 5. Open interval closed interval 0 to 1 excluding 0.5. Open interval minus 2 comma 1 excluding 0. None of these. These are the options given. So what is the given function? Y is equal to 1 by log of 1 minus x base 10 plus root over x plus 2. Okay, all of you, we have to find a domain. So first one, 1 minus x, which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0 and x not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, log 1 base 10, that is log 1 is 0, then 1 by 0, it is not defined, infinitive value. So x must be not equal to 0, 1 minus x greater than 0. Okay, all of you? Then this one, x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 or x plus 2 greater than 0, x greater than minus 2. X greater than minus 2. Here 1 greater than x, that is x less than 1. X less than 1. So what is the value? Here open interval minus 2 to 1. Open interval minus 2 to 1 excluding 0. Excluding 0. X here open interval minus 2 to 1 means here x not take the value minus 2 and x greater than minus 2. So this condition is satisfied here. And here x less than 1. X less than 1 means that is this is less than 1. Excluding 0. X not equal to 0. So option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here we have one more problem from functions. Match the columns. Match the conditions, expressions in column 1. In column 1 with statement in column 2. These are the A, B, C, D. Column 2. This is the column 1. So let f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square minus x minus 5x plus 6. Column 1. This is if minus 1 less than x is less than 1, then f of x satisfies. If 1 less than x is less than 2, f of x satisfies. If 3 less than x is less than 5, then f of x satisfies. X greater than 5, then f of x satisfies. First one, you see all of you. First one, minus 1 less than x is less than 1, f of x satisfies. In between minus 1 less than x is less than 1, first one, this is first one. But what is given? F of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 by here x square minus 5x plus 6. So f of x can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 5 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Factors of numerator x minus 1 into x minus 5. Factors of denominator x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, all of you. So you take first one. First one is minus 1 less than x is less than 1. Okay, that is x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to what? This is minus 1 into minus 5 by minus 2 into minus 3. 5 by 6, which is less than 1. So f of x 0 less than 1. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So this is 1A. 1 is A. Okay, all of you. Then you go for second one. Second one is 1 less than x is less than 2. F of x satisfies. In between x is equal to 3 by 2 you take. X is equal to 3 by 2. Then f of 3 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 5, 3 by 2 minus 5. LCM is 2. 3 minus 10 minus 7 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 2. That is minus 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus 3 minus 7 by 2. This is 2 2 2 2 cancel. Minus 7 by minus, this is minus 21 plus 21. 7 3 that is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3, sorry, this is f of x is less than 0. F of x is less than 0, option B. So 2 is B. 2 is B. F of x is less than 0. Okay, all of you. Then after you observe this third one, you see. Third one. Third one is 3 less than x is less than 5. Let us x is equal to 4 you take in between these two. So 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 5, minus 1 by denominator. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1. That is minus 3 by 2. Okay, all of you? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So, here this value is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 5. And 3 by 2 minus 2. 3 by 2 minus, which is minus 3 by 2. And go for, this is also 3 is what? B. This is 3 also B. 3 also B. Okay, all of it. Then after, go for 4. Go for 4. X greater than 5. Let us x greater than 5, x is equal to 6 you take. X is equal to 6 you take. That is 6 minus 1. 1. See, this is 1. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. By denominator, 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 3, 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Which is what? Less than 1. So option D. So 4 is D. So what we can say, that is what we can say, the match the following is 1A. 1A. 2 is what? 2 is B. 3 is what? 3 also B. 4 is what? 4D. So this is the match the following. This is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from functions. If S is the set of all real x such that 2x minus 1 by 2x cube plus 3x square plus x is positive when S conditions. These are the conditions is given. F of x is equal to what? 2x minus 1 by 2x cube plus 3x square plus x is given. We have to find the conditions when it is positive, is greater than 0, positive. That is, first 2x minus 1 is not equal to 0, x not equal to 1 by 2. Okay, all of you, for this one. And you take this one, 2x cube plus 3x square plus x. That is x common, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. That is x of factors of this one, you see, 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. Then x of, this is 2x as common, x plus 1 plus 1 as common, x plus 1. That is x of, that is x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. So what are the factors of this one? x into this is 2x plus 1 into and x plus 1. These are the factors. Okay, all of you? Hmm. Here, first one, this must be greater than 0. This is x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and x, this is minus 1. Okay, all of you? That is x greater than 0. Minus infinity, x greater than 0 means what? That is x greater than 0 means what? My greater than 0 means what? X belongs to 0 to infinity. 2x plus 1 greater than 0, that is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, all of you? Here you observe the conditions. Minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. Minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. So minus infinity to x less than the minus infinity to minus 1 is there. So option is this one. Minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 by 4. Not is there. This is not is there. 1 by 2 to 3. 1 by x belongs to 0 to infinity. Means this is 1 by 2 to 3. So we say here x belongs to minus 1 to 0 union minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 union minus 1 by 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity. And x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, that is minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity. In between satisfies this condition, satisfies this conditions. So option 4 and option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you? That's all.